In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in WordPress WooCommerce. A seamless and secure payment method is crucial for running an effective and efficient online store. Whether you're just starting your shop or looking to expand your payment options, this step-by-step guide will help you understand how to quickly set up a payment gateway in WooCommerce, ensuring that your customers have the best possible experience when they shop with you. First, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and get into the back end of your site. Once you're in, you'll find a sidebar on the left-hand side. It's your control panel for everything on WordPress. Look for the section labeled WooCommerce. Hover over WooCommerce and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings, which will bring you to the page where you can configure your store preferences. It may take a couple of seconds to load, so be patient. Next, within the Settings page, you'll find several tabs running across the top. You're looking for the one that says Payments. Click on this Payments tab, and you will be directed to a page that displays a variety of payment options that WooCommerce supports. These methods can include popular gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, direct bank transfer, cash on delivery, and check payments. Each of these has its own set of benefits, and the best choice depends on what works for both you and your customers. For instance, PayPal and Stripe are popular for their simplicity and speed, whereas direct bank transfers might be preferred in certain regions. Once you've identified the payment method you wish to activate, you'll notice there are either Enable or Set Up buttons located next to each payment gateway. This is how you'll initiate the configuration. Click on the button next to the method you want to add. This will take you to a new page, or a pop-up may appear, prompting you to provide more specific information necessary for that payment gateway. For instance, if you choose to use PayPal, you may need to provide your registered PayPal email. Each gateway has different requirements and additional settings, so ensure you fill out all necessary fields carefully. Remember, a crucial part in setting up these gateways is to test them afterwards. Transaction errors can cause significant issues on your site, so once everything's configured, perform a test transaction to ensure your payment method is operating smoothly. If all goes well, then you're ready to start accepting payments on your WooCommerce store. And that's it. You've now successfully added a payment method to your WooCommerce store. Make sure to adapt the payment options according to your audience's needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.